Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that's sure to make your DIY projects a lot easier, the ValueMax 126PC magnetic screwdriver set with organizer. We came across this gem during our latest search, and we've added a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is the ValueMax 126PC magnetic screwdriver set? As the name suggests, this is a comprehensive screwdriver set designed to meet a wide range of needs, whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just someone who enjoys tackling home improvement projects. With a total of 126 pieces, this set is packed with everything you might need to handle both large and small tasks around your home or workshop. Let's dive into the highlights of this impressive set. First up, we have the organization aspect. The screwdrivers are neatly placed on a durable racking shelf, which not only keeps everything tidy but also allows for easy access. Each screwdriver has a distinctive model mark on its end, making it simple to find the right tool without wasting precious time. This organization feature is particularly helpful when you're deep into a project and need to grab tools quickly. Now, let's talk about the materials and construction. The ValueMax screwdrivers are made from CRV steel, which has been heat-treated for enhanced durability. The polished, anti-rust surface ensures that the tools stay in great condition even after repeated use. Additionally, each screwdriver features a black finish blade with magnetic tips that conveniently attract screws. This magnetic feature is a game-changer, especially when you're working in tight spaces or on delicate components where dropping screws can be a hassle. Another noteworthy aspect of this set is the ergonomic design of the handles. Made from two materials, the soft non-slip handle is not only comfortable but also impact-resistant, which helps reduce hand fatigue during extended use. This is particularly beneficial for those longer projects where you might be using the tools for hours on end. So, who is this screwdriver set suitable for? It really caters to a wide audience. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a mechanic, or simply someone who likes to keep their home in good shape, this set is designed to meet your needs. It's also a great gift option for anyone who loves tools, making it an excellent choice for birthdays, holidays, or even just as a thoughtful gesture. Now, let's explore some practical use cases. If you're working on furniture assembly, the variety of standard and precision screwdrivers included in this set will give you the flexibility to tackle different types of screws without any hassle. If you're into electronics, the precision screwdrivers are perfect for opening up devices without damaging them. For home maintenance, having this all-in-one set means you're prepared for anything, whether it's fixing a loose cabinet door or assembling new furniture. In summary, the ValueMax 126PC magnetic screwdriver set with organizer is a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their tool collection. With its robust construction, thoughtful organization, and ergonomic design, it truly stands out as a practical solution for a variety of tasks. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't